जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः।
Swami Vivekananda, a cyclonic monk, wrote from America in the year 1894 to Swami Shivananda, who later became the second president of Ramakrishna Order. Brother, you have not yet understood the wonderful significance of Mother's life, none of you, but gradually you will know. Without Shakti, there is no regeneration for the world. Why is it that our country is the weakest and the most backward of all countries? Because Shakti is held in dishonor there in India. Mother Sharada Devi has born to revive that wonderful Shakti in India, and making her the nucleus, once more will Gargis and Maitris be born into the world. To me, Mother's grace is 100,000 times more valuable than Father's. Mother's grace and Mother's blessings are all paramount to me. And today, after covering a time span of more than 125 years since the above prophetic statement was made by Swamiji, we are amazed to notice that Holy Mother Sri Sharada Devi has become symbol of moral and spiritual perfection for the humankind. She stands apart as the divine consort of Bhagwan Sri Ramakrishna, who came into this world with a great message. Though we have not yet fully realized the greatness of the Holy Mother, but we can, of course, understand her simplicity, her sweetness, and the way she lived, detached and totally dedicated to God. She lived as an illustration of how a householder can live with the family and yet be absorbed in God. That was Holy Mother's great message, which we can learn from her life and teachings. Let's sincerely pray to Holy Mother, as it is through her grace only we may learn the art of living in this world and yet living in God. On the auspicious occasions of Navratri and Sri Sri Durga Puja, Ramakrishna Math Kamarpukur is happy to present the series of episodes on reminiscences of Holy Mother as recorded by her devotee children. These reminiscences contain the life-building, man-making and character-making gospel of the Holy Mother for our assimilation, which is the very essence of education, as per Swami Vivekananda. From today, we shall start the selected portions from the Gospel of Holy Mother, Sri Sharada Devi, as recorded by her devotee children. The Gospel of Holy Mother, Conversations, as recorded by Swami Arupananda. Jairambati, 1st of February 1907. I went to the Holy Mother at 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon and found her kneading dough for bread. She was seated on the floor, facing the east, her legs stretched out in front of her. The oven stood near her. Casting a benign glance upon me, she said, "What do you want?" Disciple, "I want to talk to you." Mother, "What do you want to talk about? Sit down here." She gave me a seat. Disciple, "Mother, people say that our Master is God eternal and absolute. What do you say?" Mother, "Yes, He is God eternal and absolute to me." As she said to me, I went on. It is true that to every woman, her husband is God eternal and absolute. I am not asking the question in that sense. Mother, yes, He is God eternal and absolute to me as my husband and in a general way as well. Then I thought, if Sri Ramakrishna were God eternal, then she, the Holy Mother, must be the divine power, the mother of the universe. She must be identical with his divine consort. She and he are like Sita and Rama, Radha and Krishna. I had come to the Holy Mother, cherishing this faith in my heart. I asked her, if that be the case, then why do I see you preparing bread like an ordinary woman? It is Maya, I suppose. Is it not? Mother, it is Maya indeed. Otherwise, why should I fall into such a state? But God loves to sport as a human being. Sri Krishna was born as a cowherd boy, and Rama was the child of Dashrath. Disciple, do you ever remember your real nature? Mother, yes, I recall it now and then. At that time, I say to myself, what is this that I am doing? What is all this about? Then I remember the house, building, and children. Pointing with the palm of her hand to the houses, and forget my real self.
Janani Sarada Devin Ramakrishna Jagat Guru Pad Padme Tayo Sritva Pranama